Hey everyone, are you tired of your old clunky toaster? Or maybe you're looking to declutter your countertop, but still want the convenience of a versatile cooking appliance? Well, you're in luck. Today, I am diving deep into 3 top-rated toaster ovens that I've put to the test. I'll break down their features, see how they perform in real-world scenarios, and help you decide which one deserves a spot in your home. 3. Hamilton Beach 2-in-1 Countertop Toaster Oven. This appliance immediately caught my eye because it aims to be both a toaster and a countertop oven, a real space saver. It features a unique design with an extra-wide slot on top for toasting 2 regular slices of bread or even 1 long artisanal slice. Below that, you've got a surprisingly spacious oven with a 16.5-liter interior, big enough for a 9-inch pizza or about 3/4 of a pound of fries. It offers 4 cooking modes: bake, broil, toast, and keep warm. Plus, it comes with handy accessories like a bake pan, oven rack, and an easy-to-remove crumb tray. Hamilton Beach claims it toasts up to 40% faster than leading competitors, which is a bold claim. So how did it fare in my kitchen? Setting it up was a breeze. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. For toasting, it definitely lived up to the speed claim. My toast came out crisp and evenly browned, noticeably faster than my old standard toaster oven. I then tried baking a 9-inch pizza, and it cooked evenly without any annoying hot spots. The 60-minute timer with auto shutoff is a great safety feature, and I also appreciated the stay-on setting for when I was making multiple batches of snacks. 2. BLACK+DECKER 4-slice toaster oven. Next up, at number 2, we have the BLACK+DECKER 4-slice toaster oven, specifically the TO1313 SBD model. This is a more traditional, compact toaster oven designed for everyday tasks. It boasts the capacity for 4 slices of bread or a 9-inch pizza. Key features include bake, broil, toast, and keep warm functions, all controlled by straightforward knobs. BLACK+DECKER highlights its even toast technology, which they say optimizes interior heat distribution for up to 30% more even toasting than leading competitors. It comes with a 30-minute timer that also has a stay-on functionality, plus a removable crumb tray for easier cleaning, a bake pan, and a broil rack. The temperature goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. During my testing, the BLACK+DECKER impressed me with its quick preheat time. It's fantastic when you just want to reheat leftovers without a long wait. I found the temperature control to be quite stable once it reached the set temperature, which is crucial for baking. I baked a small batch of cookies, and they came out evenly cooked with no major hot or cold spots. Toasting was indeed quite even and faster than many models, though I did notice the top of the bread browned a bit more than the bottom. Elite Gourmet ETO236 Personal Compact 2-Slice Countertop Toaster Oven. Now this little guy is all about maximizing utility in minimal space. As the name suggests, it's designed for smaller tasks, perfect for dorm rooms, RVs, small apartments, or if you just need something for quick individual meals. It's a 2-slice toaster oven with adjustable temperature controls ranging from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and a 15-minute timer. Despite its small footprint, around 12.5 inches long, under 5 inches deep, and about 6.5 inches tall, it packs 650 watts of power. It comes with a non-stick baking pan and a wire rack, which can be placed in different slot positions. When I first unboxed the Elite Gourmet, I was struck by just how compact it is. It truly is personal-sized 16. The controls are incredibly simple and easy to use. I tested it with various toasting tasks: bread, bagels, and English muffins. It did a commendable job, providing fairly even toasting. The built-in temperature thermostat seems to ensure even cooking heat for its size. I made a couple of open-faced sandwiches using the broil function, and they turned out perfectly. Reheating small portions of leftovers was quick and much more energy efficient than firing up my main oven. The 15-minute timer has an audible bell that definitely gets your attention when your food is ready. Final thought. So there you have it. 3 excellent toaster ovens, each with its own strengths. Which one do you think would best suit your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and kitchen tips.